Not all who wander are lost. Such an interesting phrase. Hi, I'm Steve. I'm the old dude of Old Dude Wanders. I started seeing that phrase pop up a few years ago, and it really resonated with me. While I never saw it attributed as a quote from anyone, it appears to be derived from a line in a poem written by J.R.R. Tolkien for The Lord of the Rings. Now you may be asking yourself, what is the purpose behind Old Dude Wanders? This will be an outlet for my passion projects and interests. It is my goal to research, to the best of my ability, things that interest me. I would then share what I learned through writing, vlogs, and podcasts. What types of interests might you expect me to cover? Historical places, national parks and monuments, possibly people, and specialty conventions and conferences. Now, while I do not consider myself a ghost hunter, I will not shy away from researching, discussing, and investigating supposedly haunted places. Aliens? Sure, that's also a possibility. Some of my bucket list items: Fort Christmas in Florida, traveling historic Route 66, and taking Amtrak around the circumference of the United States. But don't worry, it won't be all serious stuff. I have already posted some dad jokes videos that I made with some animation software. I will probably continue to do those, as well as other things as I experiment with different software. There may even be an occasional book, movie, or product review. There are also a few games that I enjoy playing, so that's likely to make an appearance once in a while. I will do my best to keep things organized into playlists and titled appropriately so that you will be able to track just the things that interest you. I thank you for taking the time to watch and learn about my project. Wander on, wanderers. Wander on.